Module 5, Lesson 2, embed the form on your site. You built the form. Now it needs to live where your visitors already are. Your website. Simple Marketing gives you a copy-paste embed snippet for that. Open Forms and click into the form from last lesson. On the form detail page, find the embed section. The snippet is a small script tag. It loads a tiny runtime from your Simple Marketing workspace and renders the form wherever you paste the tag. The form itself stays managed here. Change the fields or the consent copy in the builder, and every embedded copy updates without touching your website again. There's more than one way to embed, and the right one depends on the page. Inline drops the form directly into the page flow, where the tag sits. Use it for a dedicated sign-up section. The pop-up and slide-in variants wait and then present the form over the page. Use those sparingly. They convert well, but cost goodwill if they fire too early. Each mode is the same one-line tag with a different attribute, and the snippet panel generates each variant for you. Copy the snippet. On your website, paste it where the form should appear. In a WordPress block, a Webflow embed element, or directly in the page HTML before the closing body tag for the pop-up variants. No build step, no iframe sizing headaches. The runtime handles rendering and submission. Every submission from the embedded form flows back to this workspace. The subscriber lands in the attached audience. The consent record is written with the exact consent copy shown, and double opt-in fires if you kept it on. That's the embed path, but you don't even need a website for the form to work. Next lesson, the hosted landing page. Simple Marketing serves for every form on your brand at a public URL. See you there.